Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a really nice Amazon haul. I'm gonna show you guys crop tops and blouses all under like 700 or 1000 rupees at the max, but they're starting from like 299 rupees. So most of them are priced between 299 to like below 500. I think one or two pieces are above 500, but on the whole I'm going to show you guys a bunch of crop tops which are super affordable. So I'm really excited about this, and I think a lot of you guys also wanted to see my crop tops collection. I will show you guys those in a different video, but in this one it's going to be super accessible because sometimes like when I have some of the older pieces which I share with you guys, now they might not be available, so I wanted to do a quick Amazon haul. So let's begin. The first one is the one that I'm wearing, and this can be worn as a crop top or even as a blouse. So it's a stretchable fabric, the t-shirt fabric, and it has like full sleeves here, and it gives a very nice look. I was a little skeptical about this, and this was just for 299 rupees, and as you can see, you can style it with some silver jewelry. It's not very short, so it is a little below your bust, so you can wear it as a crop top with a high-waisted lehenga, and it look really nice. It's basic t-shirt material in black, but the quality is pretty decent, and you can't really tell that it's just a crop top. You will find similar ones in Zara or H&M and Forever 21 as well, and it's just for 299 rupees. So you can style it up with different skirts and sarees. So even if you wear like a plain off-white saree, or black is basically something that goes well with any color, so you can wear it with like a red saree or any other color as well. So you can style it up with sarees and lehengas, and I think this is a really amazing pick. So I got 2XL in this, but XL will also fit because it's a t-shirt material. But best thing about getting such fabrics is that you don't have to worry about them becoming tight or the size and all that. So I think 2XL is the last size that's available, and this is available in all colors. Like I've seen off-white, yellow and blue and so many other colors, so check this out. So next up we have another bralette. So again, I have traditional blouses as well, so I just wanted to show you guys this as well, and then move on to the usual blouses, crop tops. So this one is like a bralette, or like basically a crop top, and at the back it has elastic again, which is very comfortable. You don't have to worry about the size. This goes really well with like any of your off-white sarees, or you can wear it even with like a black saree, and it has the straps which are extendable. Again, very nice fit, and the fabric is really nice. I really like the print, and because it's elastic, I think it's pretty great even if you don't like wearing such crop tops. I can restyle it by wearing it on a dress. So like imagine this is a dress, so I can just wear it over it, and it will give a very different look. I'll try and style it and show you guys what I'm talking about, but if you are open to wearing such styles, then this is a great option. This one is also very affordable. I think it's about 300 or something like that. I'll put the exact prices here. I think this is again a very nice option. Next we have something traditional. This is a mustard blouse or a crop top. It has these elbow length sleeves, and the design actually has a little bit of gold weaving within the mustard color, so it looks really nice. You can wear it with like greens, pinks, reds. It goes really well with any of your traditional sarees. You can wear it on your pattu sarees or even casual sarees. It look really nice with an off-white saree as well. Very beautiful. It's like sort of high neck, so it will come like this. So really nice, and the material is pretty good as well, and I think all of these are great for the prices. So this one is also again quite affordable. It has like nice lining, and the inseams, everything, the inside also is stitched well, and it has like a lot of space, so even if it doesn't fit, you can remove it up till here. So it's pretty good. I think I got like 44 if I'm not wrong, and I quite like these as well. These can be worn as jackets, like or not just as a blouse. So these are the hooks, so you can wear it as a blouse. This is the back of it actually, and this is the front. But when you're not wearing it as a blouse, you can wear it as a jacket on your sleeveless kurtas, or like basically just to style it as a jacket. I think it would look really different, and then you can wear like a long neck piece and style it that way. So that's our blouse, and it has like this princess cut, pretty good. I really like this one as well, and the fabric is good, they're not pokey, and they're pretty good. Next up we have this one. It has like a nice floral design. I think I got this in like 46 size if I'm not wrong, because I wasn't really sure if the sizes are going to be accurate. But anyway, this looks a little bigger. If it's loose, then I can exchange it. But yeah, look at the fabric. It's the print is all really nice. It's very colorful, goes well with your green sarees or like pinks or anything that is here, and would go well even with like any work sarees or something. Yeah, very nice to style. Again, a very good price. I quite like the quality as well. It's a very soft fabric and nothing is pokey. I quite like the quality of everything. This one is also really good. And this is the back. It has buttons at the back. So the lining is off-white like this. It's cotton. And in the side, even this one has a little bit of scope for alteration. So that was our next blouse. By the way, this one is available in other colors as well. Of course, you can see the links in the description box. So this is our last crop top. It has this beautiful work and it's peach color, and this again is also like a crop top. It can be worn with skirts, and it can be worn as a blouse as well. I plan to wear it as a blouse. I have a saree in this color, so I can pair it with that. With like a self combination, or I even have some floral sarees with peach flowers, pink flowers. I think off-white with peach, those kind of sarees. I may have put them in some videos. I think it'll go well with those as well. So I plan to style it like that. I really liked it. So this cut work, this one I really like the quality, and I think it's about 600 or 700, and have been eyeing it from quite some time. Been waiting for like a sale. So some of these were on sale, so they were at very good prices. Otherwise also Amazon has like really good options at very affordable prices. This one doesn't have any buttons. Love the quality. Has basic lining. Oh, so it has a zip enclosure. So yeah, that'll be comfortable. This one on the side doesn't have any margin, so you can't alter this, but you can just check your measurements, and like all the measurements are mentioned for every piece, so you can check that for the size and then get it. So those were all the crop tops or blouses which I got from Amazon, which is super affordable. I hope this video was useful. So all of the links will be in the description box. I'll put them in my haul store, so you can purchase everything directly from there. So the link will be in the description box in case you would like to check out any of these. I would highly recommend trying out these if you're looking for like crop tops or blouses at affordable prices. So that was it for today's video, you guys. Let me know what other videos you would like to watch. If you would like me to try out anything else from Amazon, any other pieces of clothing from Amazon, or home decor, or anything else also, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what other videos you would like to watch for the upcoming festive season. So that's it for today's video, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I also have a giveaway going on my channel, so do check it out and participate in the giveaway. And also don't forget to find me on Instagram, because I keep posting like quick updates there, and you'll see a lot of mini hauls, reels and everything. So find me on Instagram as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.